everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name's Katie and I'm the organic esthetician. You have been seeing a lot of me this month, but this is my last video for November. I'm very excited to be teaming up with one of my favorite professional microcurrent device companies, 7e Wellness. So in today's video, I'm going to be highlighting some of the deals that are happening right now over at 7ewellness.com. They're having up to 35% off their devices. In this video, I'll walk you through some of their offerings, highlighting my top picks over at 7ewellness.com. So 7e makes a handful of professional microcurrent devices in addition to a handheld for home use and two different dual probed microcurrent options. I love the dual probe devices. I feel like this is such an amazing way to target specific muscles on the face. And it also makes it the most effective treatment for relaxing fine lines and wrinkles because those dual probes allow you to stretch and relax the facial muscle. Today's video is going to be fantastic, whether you're a professional looking to enhance your current service offerings, or if you're an at-home microcurrent user looking to increase the results you're able to achieve at home. If you're new to the channel, my name's Katie. I've been a licensed esthetician in California since 2010. In my practice, I specialize in anti-aging treatments that not only focus on the face, but help support full body cellular health. Here on YouTube, I create educational videos walking you through how to use a lot of these anti-aging at-home devices, explaining the modalities behind these gadgets, helping you to understand what they're doing so that you can pick the right device for you. If this interests you, make sure you subscribe. We'll get into all of the sale details in just a moment, but I thought I would share what really sets 7e Wellness apart from other devices on the market. So first, 7e makes both professional devices where you're required to have an aesthetics license to purchase them, in addition to devices for home use. Now, my favorite devices that they make for home use use dual probes. So these are dual probes that you would work on the face. Using dual probes truly allows you to target areas of concern on your face in a way that a lot of the other handheld devices do not. The other thing that's really wonderful about 7e is that they use specific waveform blends, allowing for multiple treatments in one device. So this is their MyoLift 600, which is their entry-level professional microcurrent device. You need a license to purchase this, but it looks almost identical to the two options that are available for home use: the MyoLift Mini and the TriWave. The MyoLift 600 and that MyoLift Mini offer two different treatments with those waveform blends. One to re-educate the facial muscles, lifting and contouring the face, and one to stretch and relax tight muscles, minimizing fine lines and wrinkles. That erase setting on the MyoLift Mini is one of my favorite treatments that 7e Wellness offers. Now, the TriWave has both of those two programs along with a third that works to stimulate lymphatic drainage. This really gives you that sense of a professional treatment, but in the comfort of your own home. A really great option for anyone that is feeling puffy or tends to retain fluid in their face. That lymphatic setting is fantastic. So there is a handheld option called the MyoLift QT. The QT is app-based, similar to other app-based handhelds on the market, but unique to 7e is this AI skin analysis that they offer. So through the app, you take photos of your face and the AI program analyzes your skin and gives you a readout in 3 different categories. So based off of this assessment, it then creates a customized microcurrent treatment program. And now 7e offers skincare kits that support whatever you're trying to achieve, whether it's anti-aging, brightening, or increasing hydration. And these kits are so nice. So each of the skin kits is a 14-day supply of skincare. Now, one of the reasons why I think this is so great is because if you are at home using anti-aging devices like Microcurrent and you're not partnering your device use with a skincare routine, your results are just not going to be the same. Right? We're activating the muscle, we're increasing cellular health, but we also need to hydrate and nourish the skin and use actives that support these activities that we're doing with our anti-aging devices. So this is where the kits come into play. They offer a 14-day supply of skincare that you partner with your microcurrent use. So this is the Wrinkle Reduction Kit. It includes their Mangosteen Cleanser, their ATP Booster Mask. I love this mask. It doubles as a conductivity gel to help increase the results of your microcurrent treatments. The Infused Conductive Solution to help rehydrate your conductivity gel. A silicone brush to apply your mask. A glutathione hydrogel mask. The Eye Lift Serum. Anti-Aging Peptide Serum. Epidural Growth Factor sheet masks. It also includes conductive gloves, a set of wire splitters, and a headband. This kit also includes 2 different hands-free electrodes, one for the eye and one for the mouth. Now these can be used on their own, or my favorite way is to apply them over the top of a sheet mask. So not only will you be activating the muscle, you'll also be enhancing the penetration of the actives in your sheet mask. I think these kits are such a fantastic way to jumpstart your microcurrent journey, to enhance the treatments you might already be doing, and gives you customization, allowing you to create these unique treatments that specifically target your skin concerns. I also really recommend starting with the conductivity gloves if the dual probes feel intimidating to you. So instead of holding 2 probes on your face and working on the face as you go, your hands become the probes. And so you can use your hands to shape and lift the muscle to stretch and relax, and the current flows through your fingers. So as you get used to placement with your hands, you then can graduate to using the probes instead. So right now, 7E is in the midst of their Black Friday sales. These started on November 22nd and are gonna go all the way through to December 1st. So you still have plenty of time to shop if you haven't already. They're offering up to 35% off the MyoLift QT Plus, along with all kits, including the MyoLift QT, are 25% off. The first device I ever used from 7E Wellness was the MyoLift Mini. It still holds a very special place in my heart and is one of my favorite professional style devices for at-home use. And this week it's now 30% off. The TriWave is currently 25% off. This is the first time this device has ever gone on sale. I also think that if you are looking for a cost-effective microcurrent device to add to your professional treatments, the TriWave is a really great option. Now, 7E Wellness's professional devices are also on sale. The MyoLift 600 and any kit that includes the 600 are 25% off. Now, if you're a professional looking to make an investment in your microcurrent offerings, the MyoLift MD is the device that I would recommend. This is 7E Wellness's master device. It offers 8 different waveform blends and 7 different preset protocols utilizing these blends to help you elevate the results that you're getting in your anti-aging treatments. This device allows you to increase circulation in the skin, not only boosting circulation, but also agitating any toxins or waste in the skin. Then you would go into your lymphatic drainage to remove all of the waste and excess fluid from the face and neck. Then you would lengthen muscles, relaxing them, minimizing fine lines and wrinkles. Then you go into your lifting programs. You can either target finer muscle groups or do full face muscle re-education. Then you would finish by firming that upper layer of the skin. And in addition to all of that, it offers galvanic current to infuse products deeper into the skin. In addition to this arsenal of waveforms, the master device offers an intensity of up to 800 microamps. Normally $6,500, the MyoLift MD is now on sale for $5,525. Now, if you're someone who already has a MyoLift device at home, 7e is offering 30 to 35% off their accessories, 20 to 35% off their gels and serums. And for all of the professionals looking to enhance their microcurrent knowledge, they're offering 35% off their microcurrent educational courses. So whether you're someone at home trying to incorporate a new anti-aging modality into your home care routine, or a professional looking to enhance the results you're able to achieve in your treatment room, this is a fantastic time to shop. So for me personally, I like the ease of a handheld device throughout the week. This allows me to do quick treatments when I don't have a lot of time. Then once a week, I'll sit down and do a longer targeted treatment with a dual probe device. Now, you can use your MyoLift Mini or Tri-Wave multiple times throughout the week if you have one of these at home. But if you already have a handheld device and you're looking to enhance or fine-tune the results that you're achieving, using the dual probes is a fantastic way to target specific areas of the face. So for me personally, I have lines across my forehead and at the corner of my eye. So I love using that erase setting. It is lengthening the muscle. So you work your probes from the center of the muscle apart, gliding away from each other to gently stretch. This helps address muscle tightness and minimize the look of fine lines and wrinkles. At the corner of my eye, kind of down here, I have some guys going on. So I like using a single ball from each probe and gliding apart, stretching out that wrinkle, helping to relax the muscle. If you have lines here, you can do the same thing, stretching apart. Those 11 lines here, stretch. If your chin comes up and you get a crease here under your chin, you can hold one stationary and glide the other one down. And if you get lines horizontally across your neck, being mindful of your thyroid, you're gonna start in the middle and stretch that platysma, helping to minimize that banding across the neck. You would then follow that up with a lifting treatment using that re-educate setting. So you're going to pinch muscles to tighten them, to lift here, here. You can also glide out or glide up. Truly, these treatments are easy to do at home, but if you feel at all intimidated, get the gloves. The gloves allow the current to flow through your fingers so that your hands now are lifting the muscles of your face. Another cool thing about the gloves is that you do not need conductivity gel. You just get them wet and work them on the skin, which also makes it a more cost-effective treatment. When you finish, you just pop your gloves in your washing machine and then let them air dry when they're done. I have made videos on every single one of the 7e wellness devices, and I'm gonna link them all in the show notes down below, so that if there's a device that you're interested in, you can do a deep dive, learn how to use it, all before your device arrives. All right, everyone, thank you all for tuning in. I hope that you're all having a wonderful holiday week and staying healthy and warm. I know a lot of people are getting sick right now. Our family's Thanksgiving was actually postponed because my father got sick this week. So sending you all lots of healing, healthy energy. Thank you again, 7e Wellness, for sponsoring today's video. I'm gonna be putting links to all of the sales down below. Now, I do have a discount code, Organic Esthetician, with 7e Wellness, but unfortunately, codes and sales don't stack. So feel free to click through using the links that I'll provide in the show notes and get all of those automatic discounts that are applied over at 7ewellness.com. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone, and thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in December. Bye.